Alright guys, I'm doing a review on the JLT V3.0 from American Trucks. It's an oil separator. It's for my 2015 F-150 3.5 EcoBoost. I put it on last week, February 15th, and today, February 22nd. It's been a week. Have 300 miles on it. Just back and forth to work this week. And I try to unscrew it here, earlier video. It's hard to come out, to unscrew. So I had to take these two screws off, let it loose, and unscrew it by hand barely. Then I screw it back on just to show you what it looks like. Hooking it up is easy, but I did have to cut my cover, which ain't no big deal, be all right. This is the first time I'm unscrewing it. Let's see what kind of oil it has. The truck has 76,242 miles last week. Now it has 76,542. Like I said, 300 miles. People said I probably should have put this a long time ago. There's a pain in the butt to unscrew, but so I had to take the two screws on top. Trying to show you. I think I can check it. No, I can probably do it every month maybe. I'm just still surprised at how much oil is in there. It's crazy. And that's just a week, 300 miles. So next time, I'm gonna check it at 2 weeks, see how much oil that is. And then after that, if it's still not all the way full almost, I will do it every 3 weeks and maybe do it every month. But yeah, I'm kind of surprised how much oil that is. But like I said, I'll put a link on the oil separator. This one went on a 2015 F-150 EcoBoost 3.5 liter. And like I said, take this off. I unscrewed these two screws and then I unscrewed it by hand. But it was a pain in the butt to unscrew it originally like that. Alrighty, I hope this video was some kind of help, and I'll probably upload another video after 2 weeks from today and do another review on it. Thanks.